Ya, kuphila lapho kufinyelela khona-ke iKhanyisa News. Silana-ke namhlanje-ke eCamden-ke sizothamela-ke indaba-ke ye-shutdown. Nani niyazi ukuthi besiloko siyilindile-ke. Namhlanje-ke njengoba ubona wonke umuntu uphumile-ke ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo bezozwa ukuthi kahle-kahle-ke irally yanamhlanje kwenzakalani. Nawe-ke hlala nathi uze wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Sisophumelela nakho siselencane sisophumelela nakho siselencane sisophumelela amandla. Comrades, this is the management that for the past 20 years has been refusing us to come here telling us this is a national key point. These are the people that we are paying with your own taxpayers' money. The arrogant management of Camden has been brought down. The arrogant management of Camden is here. We are not scared of them here, we are not scared of them outside.
Sinabaholi bethu-ke abaqhamuka kwezinye indawo kubomkhondo nakuboSekhunda abeze lapha ukuzosinika ini ama-message of support. Sinalobhala-ke lo weNAFCOC obuya eStandard elikwa uzosipha nje kancane asithi fahla u3 minutes bokodo.
Sinake sibuya elikwa sizothi kini we support you. Sine same challenge Eskom ethuthukani. Sithema siyibona lesa jabula kakhulu sathi nathi we are going to do this. Sibabonisa ukuthi how big is NAFCOC. So because basithatha kancane nge6 sizobe senze the very same thing ethuthukani. So we'll also appreciate ukuthi nani nizo support siyabonga kakhulu.
Viva NAFCOC, viva! Viva NAFCOC, viva! Ngikhuluma noThando uchairperson wase-Govenberg. Nathi sineyinkinga ezifana nalezenu ngale Govenberg. Sithande kakhulu into eniyenzile ngapha namhlanje. Nathi sizonimema ngale Govenberg. Kodwa ngihamba ne-PC member yami akuvumelekanga ukuthi ngikhulume ufuna ngifollow protocol. Usisileko.
Kunibona nonke nigcwele lana ukhombisa ukuthi lento sifunayo sayifuna sisonke. So ngiyimember ye-PEC nguLebogang Mogoshi from eGMM. Nithi sinzelana sizonikeza i-support, sizoya sonikeza nelikwa i-support, nathi sizodinga yenu i-support. Sine Evander Gold Mine engasiphi imisebenzi, sine Sasol engasiphi imisebenzi, sine Siriti Green engasiphi imisebenzi. So siyanicela mphakathi, siyanicela maNAFCOC amahle, sicela i-support yenu, siyabonga.
Sesimukele-ke umkhondo iPitritif.
Viva NAFCOC, viva! Amandla! Bafethu nathi sizela sizosupporta, sizocela nje ukuthi iNAFCOC nithathe serious
abaphathi bethu nawo umgwaqo khona besuka la abasuka labafethu laba bahambe bayosebenza namgwaqweni abanye sibashiye khona la eKhamdeni amandla
mphakathi ke sesizomukela lo OPEC lakithi in the province of Mpumalanga siyamazi sisonke ngeke ngumusho ngeligama udumile kakhulu mosangisho sizomnikeza ke manje ithuba uyathandwa futhi ngizwile abanye bebahleka igama lakhe sizelana ukuzodismantla ini i-corruption yenzeka kuphi la angisho mosi sifuna ukulibona nisebenza different forum abasebenza kusuka manje so ke manje lokukhona ukuthi sizombiza ke ucomrade uThe Great uSibusiso wakaSigudla siyamazi sonke mosi ake simshayele inhlombe
uzoyithola kanjani uzoyithola kanjani sanibonani sanibonani siyajabula ukuthi sinibone nikhona la ngifuna ukuqala ukuthi ngi-explain ukuthi sibobani thina ngoba kunamaphara hamba khuluma athi akunanafco thina sinafco thina si-affiliate kunafco ku-national siripota lana legatsha leli lenafco lalamsuka ligwa lalontshwa i-NEC member umama uBusi athole imvumo ku-SG weNAFCOC ku-national la kade bakhuluma lana basemkhondo baseligwa baseGavin Mbeki ama-branch weNAFCOC alontshwa njengoba nani launch uma siwalauncha bokuba na 3,500 yabantu ngeke sitshelwe maphara thina ngeke sitshelwe umuntu uqhamuka emkhondo lemaplazini ngabe uyolwa no-secretary ngengodo asitshele ukuthi lana nguye yedwa onelungelo lokuthi la phakathi kukhashwe ngaye azange zabalazele yena zabalazile thina la asilemi futhi enekhathi sala half yenu bakhashwe ngenxa yami akakaphumele ngaphandle omunye othi wala emelo wakhashwa wamesha le record lami angisho laba kade sibakhasha sokujaha manje ama conference ngisho abantu abadayo imndeni edlayo solana lento esihlanganisile asidlani ngabantu sithi la kunomnotho wethu la solanda umnotho wethu la solanda ifa labokhokho la akusiphutha lokuthi wangizalela la emele wangizalela la phansi kugcwele ama-minerali bese sokuqhamuka umuntu athi awunamvumo ukuthi ngibe nebhizinisi la awunamvumo ukuthi uqashwe la uma kumele uqashwe kumele ubheke phezulu intombazana uma ungumfana kumele ukhiphe imali sokuphelile-ke lokho bosesi bethu nabobhuti wethu ababadizisile sithi angeke sinikhiphe nina ngoba benenziwa isimo kodwa akekho omunye umuntu uyophinde abhadale abantu for umsebenzi ngoba labantu abanibhadalisayo ngabafaka emsebenzini angaze ngifune senti abanye bakhona bayasebenza abayi nasemsebenzini bama-millionaire yini bangaphumi lapha kungena omunye umuntu lalelani la emela ayikho iNAFCOC eyake yaba khona yalontsha ngaphambi kwale kunafco ya affiliate sine certificate thine ukuthi sinafco lamaphara wanaso certificate ningathuswa nangumholi athi usupporta lamaphara lo mholi usupporta lamaphara usupporta yena nomndeni wakhe ngoba kuna decision ANC ethi supporta lamaphara iANC ithatha ama resolution ayikho resolution ye conference ethi supporta lamaphara ngiyabiza ngegama okhulumayo usuka ikhulumela yena asuke ekhaya kibo bangasichallenge ngoba sibasabi sithize la asiyinhlangano yepolitiki sizofuna umnotho waseEmelo wasemsukaliko sithi sifuna abobhuti wethu abanamabhizinisi bawathole bazokhasha intsha yala why basivalele ukuthi size la siyayazi le corruption eyenzeka la siyazi ukuthi ne-ICU i-SIU seyifiki sithi ayiqhubeke sinayo i-evidence enye sizobanikeza ningamnaki u-district mayor nomeya wasemsukalikwa okwathi noma kuqeda ukulontsha inafco bagijima beza la barepresent ubani because la uma bathe bayavala ngo-2030 umeya ne-council ne-district belibizenile community ithi la bathi bayavala nithini nina bangajaheli mathenda ala bathi bazoletha ama-stakeholders la bawathatha bangani babo awabize abantu abangaka phela lana bebazama ukusabotaja amabhasi ethu awu-8 avinjiwe and kumele bawabhadale bona ngoba besiwabhadalile asinayo le mali yokuntshontsha la thina le management yalana leganga nabo siyayazi siyakumadlanga commission siyoma ngaphandle sigwale so sifuna umbhobho namakhamera ukuthi sizwe ukuthi kusanabo sopolitiki kunamaphoyisa kunemanagement yalana egangayo kunamaphoyisa akupayroll yalabantu laba nabanye abantu balalokishini bathi noma bazoyifunela bayiphandele la babahambe bafuna ukubabopha bese babuya bayinegotiate bona bathola lamathenda siyakwazi lokho nabasebenzi bala abangahlali la abanamathenda la thina asikezelanga ukuzofuna amanamba azocreatewa yilaba abakhashiwe amabhizinisi sifuna amabhizinisi la i-Eskom ine-unlimited budget idliwa bobani le budget umungadliwa yini bobani ababelwela i-Eskom ukuthi ivule iPhamdeni bebakuphi le khathi ivaliwe i-Emelo Ghost Town iBrayton Episcopal ingasa operate seyivaliwe ngeke basitshele thina ene omunye umholi noma ngangibani ozofika athi alinalungelo la lokuthi nifune isinkwa sabantwana abantu abeni ningamhloniphi noma ungamthohlangane naye umchamende because akanangqondo labaholi bama leader of society uma kunabantwana baba bangaka bathi bafuna umsebenzi kumele babalale sithe noma sifika la le management egangayo yala eEskom yasitshela ukuthi ne-NAFCO case 2 esingayazi. Okunye kwaphara kwathi kuyi-Secretary General. U-Secretary General we-NAFCO uyi-1 uRichard Zulu. Ayikho i-Secretary General ye-NAFCO local. Ayikho i-President ye-NAFCO local. So size la solanda kwethu bangasukeli ene sesizokhempa la so baba ka camp Dr. Mrs. Camp. So ningasabi sizosebenza la le unlimited budget uzoyisebenzisa ngeke dize umuntu la. So sizofunda le memorandum ngoba isikhathi nifikile la sifunde yona lamanzi awuceke uzwile ukuthi uyangena lamanzi azoza niwathole uma niqeda sizohamba sikha sinifake nokudla le plate nitshele lona ukuthi li descend uma ngasi descend lana asincenye umuntu akunabhari ezoncenga whoever oma endleleni yenu nidile ngaye brutally ngoba yena nabantwana bakhe bayadla lapha. We have worked very hard ukuthi sibe la sikhona khona. Mina ukuze ngiretire kupolitiki ngiretire lokho ukuthi ezinye izinto ngiyayibona ziyenzeka ngaphakathi kodwa ngikhona ukuyiquestion ngoba bathi leadership akwazi ukukhuluma lokho wena. Ngathi ngiyayiyekela noma ngithi ngiyayiyekela baba ngumsindo ukuthi usigodlo uyazi base sebalwisa usigodlo ukuthi uhlanganiselani lo mphakathi nabantu bebangazwani. Uyabona namuhla bonkosi nabo bongane sebayakwazi ukuphuza itiya ndawonye. Sebaliphuza itiya bo Alex nabo Mayaba sebayakwazi ukudla ndawonye because strategy salaba ukusidivide. Ningavumeli umuntu oqhamuka kwenye i-sub-region azonidivide la. Ningavumeli umuntu oqhamuka kwenye i-sub-region asitshele ukuthi sihambe nobani. Akahambe naye angasitsheli thina enasimsabi. Asimsabi. Hey, asikusabi baba. Baba asikusabi. Nalabantu bakho obathengisa ubanikeze ama-SIM card ukuthi badiscredite le-NAFCO. Asinisabi. Hey, aniyazi umsuka likwa ninga. Niwuva ngendaba. Yekelani lento eniyenzayo. Ngoba uMandela uma afika sithole sinje angalila. Zonke le ndawo sizovakashela la kuzoba kagogo la sizokhempa la ngale unlimited budget. Uma sifika la siye Transnet. Uma sifika la siyakuzo zonke le mali. Sithi kinonke nina baseyimayini enkhipha i-protection fee ye-5 million every month. Yekelani lokhipha le mali nilekelele lo mphakathi. Siyazi ukuthi kunama protection fee e-5 million every month. Kuku affidavit ebhaliwe kunekala about that. Asitamsaki la ngiko ngithi Comrade Makhathini uma sisuka la sesiqedile imadana commission ingakaqedi sifuna lembhobhe khona lapha siyokuba sitotoye so sithi ake investigate Hardy yebo ake investigate mayini ake ni-investigate boKhamdeni akekho osivimba sovinjwa inhlabathi yasehendrini ey'fubeni. Imessage yokugcina nina solo nisiprovoka, phumani kithi namakati ayenza lento sawanqoba. Phumani kithi ungasebenzisi le strategy se-apartheid, se-rule and divide, se-black on black violence. Phumani kithi silwele lento le. Sinabo-Dorika Starling ngo-1987 bebakuphi bona la kade basibuka ngamafastera sebafuna sicele kibo bahlanya. Ngiyabonga sihlalo.
Amandla. Siyabonga ke i-message of support ku Comrade with the Great Sibusiso Sigudla. Manje ke sesizothola zokuqala i-management yase-Eskom. So manje ke lokukhona sesifuna ukumikisa ukuzodeliver i-memorandum sezwana Mosi. Kule memorandum ngilekhuluma ngami nawe ukuthi why size sibe lana Mosi, angisho sithe sikhathele ukuphatha abantu banye imenjalo lento okumanje ke will allow uComrade uBongani phakathi kube nguye ozosinikeza ini ozosidilivela ini i-memorandum kulesi sikhathi lesi. Nazi igebengu sesikhona. Amandla.
Because before uBongani afuna Comrades, this is the management that for the past 20 years has been refusing us to come here telling us this is a national key point. These are the people that we are paying with your own taxpayers' money. The arrogant management of Camden has been brought down. The arrogant management of Camden is here. We are not scared of them here, we are not scared of them outside. Comrades, what we are saying today as NAFCOC
idemand yethu yokuqala general manager ukuthi I want to introduce first comrades amanzi ayeza comrades sicela nize la amanzi azoza la khona comrades okokuqala general manager I want to introduce the real chairperson wemsek ngifuna uku-introduce uchairperson wemsek namuhla phambi kwakho hayi le msek eniyiphethe-khayo hayi le msek eniganga nayo la comrade uNkosi woza la phambili comrade uNkosi woza la phambili. This is the real chairperson of MSEC. This is the real chairperson of MSEC. This is the real chairperson of MSEC. Viva Comrade Nkosi, viva! This person was removed, this person was removed from the directorship of MSEC. Ngobugebengu uDube noSluma baba-resignela bathi nina la ekhangeni ni-recognize le MSEC nihlala nayo ku-stakeholder forum. This is the real chairperson of MSEC. Mkhawule. This is the real chairperson. From today, the first demand we are making is that MSEC must not be in the stakeholder forum up until they resolve indaba ukuthi bamkhiphe njani. That's what we are demanding. The second demand is that the person that is speaking here, General Manager, the person that is speaking here has a master's degree. The person that is speaking here has a master's degree in industrial psychology. Sifuna kwazi ukuthi le post yaDube ya-advertise wamuphi. Sithi namuhla uDube kungaseyimi kuphela la kugcwele ama-graduates. How can we have a stakeholder manager ongabuye eMsukalini ozophatha abantu baseMsukalini? uDube bekaku-call center ephendula ifoni yamanzi nangabe kunesurage kakho. Namuhla uDube uyi-stakeholder manager. I-demand yethu ukuthi uDube in the next coming 14 days we don't want him here. We have evidence of Dube and Dube getting paid by Sluma. Comrades, we are not playing here. The third demand that we have, CT, akuphele le stakeholder forum Salakambi. We don't want this stakeholder forum. We want a new stakeholder forum. Bu-section 4 meeting bebathi wena utawufuna ukuhlala nathi. Bu-section 4 meeting. Dube was saying that. Awubukeki njengobaba o-arrogant who can say that. Awubukeki njengomuntu ongakusho lokho. You are here to serve this community. Ngo-2007 comrades, ngo-2007 ngitshele i-history yale power station. Ngo-2007 ngoMarch ngangiphathe delegation eyahamba yayohlangana noPresident Mbeki ukuvula le Camden power station myself. This power station yavulwa by uComrade uThabo Mbeki as president. I-demand yethu yesine comrades sithi thina i-80% general manager yalawo mabhizinisi ala eCamden sicela ukuthi kube abantu bala Msukalini. ngifuna ukuyiqualifya lento lapha ku-buying department akekho ibhala yalamsukalikwa imanager yakhona unewo ufike wasitshela ukuthi emsukalikwa asina capacity yokurana amabhizinisi sizothi general manager lama buyers nalama end users we have evidence yalama buyers nalama users anama company laba abanye siphikisana nabo kuma guest house nangahamba nawe manje ucele wona lamaphoyisa. I'm going to point you to 5 different guest houses owned by Eskom employees ehlala ama Eskom contractors. Comrades, we are saying August 2 asivumelani ne-Eskom ezovala ngo-2030. I-Eskom ezovala ngo-2030 ingakasifundisi, ingakasitraini, ingakasenzanga reach asiyifuni. Comrades, sithi August 3 General Manager sinabantu lana abaqashiwe baqashwa ama-labor broker. Sithi ama-labor broker asisawafuni. Ama-labor broker sithi awaphele, including comrades lama-labor broker alabasebenzi bala Camden. Comrades, we are saying iCamden must contribute meaningfully to skills development. Sithi sifuna ukuyovula iThuthukani College as a center of training and skills development. Sifuna iCamden invest lapha. Okunye general manager esikhuluma ngako sithi comrades, we are saying sithi the system comrades yalapha ka procurement, the system yalapha ka procurement ekugangwa ngayo. Sibhalele upublic protector, sabhalela i-special investigation unit, sabhalela i-president hotline. Sithi sicela general manager wenze i-lifestyle audit kuwo wonke ama-senior managers wakho. Sifuna i-lifestyle audit from all senior management and end users. Comrades, we are saying Bulema companies athola umsebenzi la. Sifuna a-investe lana, size nabafowethu aba-disabled, size nabo mama abanama home gardens, size nabo baba abaney'mfuyo. Lana sifuna ukuthi bathole imali yoku-improve lama services wabo. Comrades, as I close, General Manager, number one, we want to appreciate you to ube khona la. Number two, sifuna ukuthi macabani ku General Manager, we are not tired. We told the South African Police Service that it is not illegal to come and picket in a national key point. Comrades, si prepared ukuthi uma bangasiphenduli ngalezinto esifunayo in the next coming 14 days, we will come back here. We will come back here. But the ANC of today must know that it is the last day Bongani is a member of the ANC. Comrades, we cannot serve the ANC that supports gangsters. We cannot support an ANC that divides the community. We cannot support an ANC that says abantu ababhadala imali kuze bathole umsebenzi. Those are not ANC members, those are criminals. So comrades, it is very clear. We are saying to General Manager, we are going to give you a chance to greet our members before saying our say is no. Comrades, ngicela ukuthi simphathi siphatheni kahle simuzwe asifingelela ngithi sifuna ukuthi asifingelele nakaqeda asiphethe ama-memorandum funa awasayine wethu sicela iy'mpendulo zethu in the next coming 14 days. General Manager waphelela. Okay, ithi asayine memorandum. As I sign the memorandum, sign it for the business. And I sign the whole through registration so every long upon me. From registration so over long upon me.
Sahamba saya Brighton, sahamba saya Lotte, sahamba zonke bunda. Leo patrón, tukuna na plaz, na niwe, sikulema enako, the evidence, video, na mapepo, si, we ori, tukuna na limana, memorandum that is full. I see. It was everything. It's a type of the corruption right now. Yeah, no, that's fine. See, now, kuna usimelele ukuthi state corruption elana. Na state mbuzo ni the community because there was no sea meeting. The community of Hawaii County. After by Pata Playman to Uruti, so the Tenama stakeholder. Now, you want to know what we may have been a meeting and come and explain to us what is a self-val. To know what is near value, what is a one who put a commodity power station is in the way as a because of that decision, of closing the power station. So, we've been trying over president the match with the same. We wrote Sifistana uhusi inkuchuka. Sikuni mwenyewe haifam kabani. Wana utubu. Sakuna masitana ako umalige utubu. Akushina estate of faith. USG we mascot national wrote a letter open na bahikutumeza mupi inafko.
wanayithatha leyo leto i-MEC eyamonsha lelota iyayibhala lencwadi na-akini iviliphani ukuthi size la but we are poor and kumabhasi 8x8 avinjiwe next time wakumaphupha siyabonga kungaba mina greetings.
Linjani? No, thank you very much. Gentlemen, I do acknowledge the memorandum that is being handed over to me as the General Manager of Camden Power Station. Together with my management team, we will review the content of this memorandum, and we commit that we will respond to the contents of this memorandum within the time frames that has been stated.
1, 2.
So for now, ladies and gentlemen, that's all what I can say. I thank you all for coming here and being peaceful. I hope that it means we can work together in the future. Thank you very much.
Sabang guru ngicela singumini ekhe ahambe
Yeah, njengoba usubonile-ke mlaleli-ke njengoba besikhona lana-ke eCamden Power Station bazofuna khona-ke iy'mpendulo nawe ubonile ukuthi kwenzakalani. Kepha-ke ungaphuthelwa ngehlelweni elizayo-ke ngeyi-6 sobe sisethuthukani Power Station lapho sobe silalela khona ukuthi khona-ke kwenzakalani. Namhlanje bayephethe ngokuthi-ke basayinile-ke ukuthi bafuna ukuthi after 14 days babe betholile-ke isivumelwano ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani. Ngaphandle kwalokho-ke mlaleli hlala nathi sihlale nawe sobonana next time.
Dio, mama, Dio,